For the past few days, I have been working in a 35,000 square foot converted factory space making face shields for medical workers. These two companies, Bednark and Dugal, came together and they figured out a way to produce, fabricate, and assemble 120,000 face shields for the medical community.
Hey, how you doing? I'm here for Bednark Studios. We're Stephanie Peterson.
Hey, I'm heading in. I'm in the Navy Yards now. They won't let us bring our cars inside, so now I'm running a little late. As you can see, I'm getting zits from my masks that we have to wear at the factory, but it's worth it.
The day typically starts around 8 a.m. and everyone's times are staggered. So we're not all arriving at the same time, so we can all give each other 6 feet of space. When we come in, there's actual markers on the ground that will show you what a 6-foot space looks like, so you have to stand on that line. When you come in, they check your temperature, they give you hand sanitizer, you must clean your hands, you must put your mask on, so an N95 mask is provided, and you must put your gloves on before you enter the factory floor. I was at home and I was already making fabric masks for medical workers when I checked my Instagram stories and a friend of mine had posted this opportunity to come and join an assembly line and make face shields. So I emailed them and I got the job. There's 3 stations to every table. So you have the cutters, the stickers, and the weavers. I'm a weaver, and we have to set up this wood block that holds the mask in place. So whenever I'm weaving, it doesn't move around, and we just get to working as fast as we can. Our initial goal starting out was 18,000, but of course there's always a learning curve. So our first day we did about 12,000 masks. Our second day we did 16,000 masks. And I'm so proud to say that today we did over 20,000 masks. I plan on volunteering my time until this is over. And as long as the work is there, as long as we're producing masks and helping medical workers, I want to be a part of it. I think anyone can do this. I think the way to get involved is just get involved, write to people, email people. People are reaching out on social media, asking for help, looking for help. Of course, do your research. There's plenty to do out there. This opportunity just really helped me just remember how great New Yorkers are and how we are able to pull our resources together and make anything happen. It really is truly a very New York City strong moment in my eyes.